Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English effectively. To begin, dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to immersing yourself in the language. This consistent exposure is crucial for progress. Prioritize active listening and speaking practice to develop your fluency and confidence. Additionally, make it a habit to learn 5 new vocabulary words every single day, integrating them into your conversations and writing. This foundational approach will significantly boost your English proficiency. Next, let's enhance your reading and writing. Read a variety of English materials, from news articles to short stories, for at least 15 minutes daily. This broadens your exposure to different styles and vocabulary. Regularly practice writing short paragraphs or journal entries, aiming for 100 to 150 words. While reading, consciously observe grammar rules and sentence structures. This active engagement will refine both your comprehension and your ability to express yourself clearly in written English. Now, let's focus on mastering speaking and listening. Actively seek opportunities to converse with native English speakers or language exchange partners for at least 20 minutes 3 times a week. Immerse yourself in English audio by listening to podcasts, music, and movies without subtitles for 45 minutes daily. A powerful technique is to record yourself speaking. Listen back to identify and correct any pronunciation or intonation issues. Consistent practice in these areas will dramatically improve your oral communication. Finally, consistency and regular review are paramount for long-term success. Dedicate at least 1 hour each week to reviewing all the new vocabulary, grammar, and concepts you've learned. This reinforcement prevents forgetting and solidifies your understanding. Set clear, achievable short-term and long-term learning goals to maintain focus and direction. Remember to celebrate your small progress milestones along the way. This positive reinforcement will keep you motivated on your journey to English fluency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.